steelhead trout. Not to be confused with a salmon. Kind of looks like one, but supposedly the best grilling fish, one of the best grilling fish there is. And we're gonna do a little blackened seafood seasoning. Of course, my favorite, complete seasoning. Little paprika sprinkled on top, add a little color, and some garlic. So anyways, the purpose of this is in case you don't want the skin will actually peel right off. If you like the skin, that's fine. So what I do is I go right through the middle, all the way. It depends on how much skin is really there, because this is not a salmon. I believe that this is probably partially, I don't know. It might not work, but we'll find out. We'll see. We're gonna get the bottom crispy, and then we'll do a flip-a-rooney. And it'll flip into two pieces, and the skin will peel right off. Look at that, folks. It's just flaky, nice, very nice. I'm taking it off right now. I put it back on the skin side because I like my skin nice and crispy. And I'm gonna take this to work with me, because normally I cook on my days off or in the, but never in the morning. So I said I had to get this cooked. So there you go, folks. I'm gonna probably squeeze some nice lemon on it. Give me like a little salad of some kind. And boom, boom, boom. Hey, thanks for watching. God bless you.